Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts, and in today's video I'm going to show you basically how to make a paper dice, but I'm going to show you how to make it very quickly. Yeah, so even if you don't know what you're doing, don't worry, because what I'm going to show you pretty much does it for you. So let's get this before we get into it. This is my channel, Make Money with Video. I show you how to make money with different video creation softwares on different social media platforms, but also I also do KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing over on Amazon, creating colouring books, activity books, etc. I also do printable games, printable templates and that, where I go and sell on to Etsy. Speaking of Etsy, I've typed in printable dice, yeah? If you look, 3,600 people are searching for this word, this term, or every month, yeah. Printable dice game, 390. You could make these games as well. I'm going to show you in a minute. But then you can also create these dice as well. So let's have a look. So you've got these bingo, like dice bingo games, yeah, where you roll it and that. Pretty good idea, actually. Then you've got these, your dice game, your Thanksgiving dice, where you roll it and you've got to do certain things, certain events. This is pretty much someone make it showing doing the exact same how to make dice. Yeah, so what I'm going to show you in a minute, you can also list things like this and upload it to Etsy and start making some money. Yeah, so you've got other dice games, yeah, and then you've got a lot of things for dice. So then, like these, you can offer your services for people who are selling these. So then, when they're selling them, they need a dice, yeah. So, and then you can create them. Yeah, so let's jump into it. The program I'm going to use is called Crispit Prints. Now it does a lot of different things, like for instance, does shower bundle, yeah, the baby shower bundle. You've got busy book bundle, you've got dice prints, what we're going to look at in a minute. You've got flag banners, you've got S-tail banners, road trip bundle, Xmas bundle, sticker prints, yeah, on central pages. But before we get into it, this is called Crispit Prints. There's all sorts of videos showing you how to use each individual one. It also shows you how to set up a e-commerce store, how to publish with Etsy, use mock-up displays and that, how to sell them on Etsy. Same with setting up your account on Pinterest and all that, yeah. Guys, so plus you get bonuses like your pinned keyword grabber, single page case study and group traffic, yeah. So anyway, let's show you. So we're looking at dice prints. And it's so simple, guys. It says 1, 2, and 3. Oh, sorry, 4 on this one, but all the other games are 3. Step 1, 2, and 3. All right, so look, we need a background image. What's 300 by 300? So let's jump over to Canva. Canva's free. I've typed in 300 by 300, create new design. Here we are. And all we're basically doing, guys, we just need a background. So let's type in Christmas background. So we could use that. Yeah, could do. Maybe we could use that. I mean, some of these are pro, so let me just quickly change these. Yeah, we don't want to use any pro ones. Let's apply. Yeah, not going to get as many. Still get a good selection, like. So things like that, we could use that, but we're not going to do it all. I want some. I think I like that red one. In fact, could we use that? We could do. Or could we use that? What a nice, pretty one, guys. Yeah, let's use that because I used this in a previous video. That's all you need to do, yeah? So download it. There you go. Let's download it. Done. Jump back over to Crispy Prints. Let's upload our image. There we go. There it is. Now it says choose a text color. So we need a color that's going to stand out above that. I'm going to pick red. I think red will be all right there. In fact, let's do white. I think white will look good on that, yeah? Now here we'll have it as black. So we'll have it as red on there. You'll see why in a minute, guys. Sorry. Right. Now here, you can either have it so your dice, on your die, yeah, it says yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Instead of like your traditional, your dots where it's like 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, yeah? You can have it on each side, yes or no, yes or no. Then you can also have it as numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, or you can have it as X and 0, yeah? So let's select them all, guys, yeah? Let it create them all. You click this, you sit back and you wait. Go and grab yourself a little brew, yeah? Before you know it, it will be ready. And you can make as many as these as you want, guys. Then come over to Etsy and you can either bundle them up with your other games, or you can just sell them on their own, guys. Or why not do both? List one as selling on its own and then do the other listing with other games. Yeah. Now this usually takes between 30 seconds and 4 minutes. That's what he says. Every time I've done it, I say it lasts about between 1 minute and 2 minutes. Now this is done already. Now look, we've made a mistake here. I'm sure I picked white. Or did I pick red? Let's go back. Let's go back. Yeah, I picked white. Choose a text color. White. Not sure why it's done that then. That dice color is that. So we don't want it. Do we want it as red? Let's go and have a look at it anyway. Yeah, so this is your first one, but we need to change the color because that, obviously I don't want me to stand out that. I think white would look good. I think this color, I don't know, maybe like a blue. Yeah. Anyway, those are your yes no ones. Then you've got your traditional ones with your dots. Yeah. Then you've got your 1 to 6, and then your X0 or XO. And that what you guys is let me just show it. You cut you just like upload these, and then they cut them out when they get them, guys. They cut them out. And look, these are the bits what you fold over and you stick together on these other bits. And that's how you do it. Look, cut out, fold, and glue and tape together. Yeah? And that is how easy it is, guys. But what we'll do a quick one. Yeah? Let's change up a little bit. Let's do it as... should we have that as white? Let's have it as white. And white. No, because the text won't be on that. Right, let's have it as red. Where is it there? Yeah, let's have it as red. Yeah, so we'll just flip it up a bit. Let's have a look. Oh no, select them all. Done. And we'll test this one out, guys. Yeah. If you want to look, this is what we made in yesterday's video, guys. This is print and play games. And what you do, it's printed out all these different games. We chose that background like we showed you earlier, yeah. And this it shows all these. It created all these games, and you can sell these individually or together as a bulk package. Yeah, you can put each one on its own and then do one big bundle. So then you've got like 15 different items for sale, giving you a better chance to make money. Now let's just see if you need any dice with this one. Yeah, look here. Roll to decorate the tree. You could offer this, yeah, as part of a bonus. 1 minute. What's happening here? Oh, here we are. Here's the second one. See, it's not worked on this one, but didn't we choose? Yeah, it's not worked on this one for some reason. But just play around with it, guys. Yeah. What I'm trying to get at is, yeah, you could create this bundle, yeah, this 14 games Christmas bundle, yeah, and then you could also offer that this dice with it, yeah, a free one of these. And look, so they don't have to search through the cupboards looking for a dice or a die, whichever you want to call it. Yeah. And look, all these different games. Now this is part of the crispy prints. Yeah, crispy prints. And look, it's got all these different ones. It's got show bundle, busy book bundle, dice, your flags, your S-tail banners, road trip, and your Xmas bundles, sticker prints. Yeah, this is a really good app to have, guys. I'm going to do one more because this is starting. Let's have a blue. Yeah. Let's have a. Oh, we'll have a red. I could be doing it wrong. I keep pressing that. This one, yeah. So yeah, like these. So you can make some games, yeah, and then add your dice with it. So what do you think, guys? Do you think it looks good? I mean, it's simple, isn't it? You just put a background on it, and it's like 4 steps. That's all it is. You pick your colours, and the way you go. And it doesn't take that long. And if you don't like the colours, do what I've just done and make another one. If you don't like that, do it again. It's free. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So we've got our. Oh no, I don't know. We're looking at the right one here. That's the black one. That's the red one. That's the games. It's not working, this one, is it? Maybe because I keep going back and just doing it there when it's already got the bundle open. I don't know. Maybe you need to refresh it. But anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. It's gone a little bit longer than I wanted because I know it's only a quick video. It should have been a quick video. But let us know what you think. And come and check out Crispy Prints. I will put it in a link in the description. It is an awesome app. Yeah, I have done some videos on it already. Yes, you got your baby show, you got your book, like how to create printables quick and easy, how to advertise your book, how to create printables. This, yeah. So if you like it, guys, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and yeah, until next time, guys. Thanks very much. Goodbye.